These are the products I love to have on hand in my DIY home apothecary. Think of them as categories of recipes that are easy to make to have on hand that you can use to support your health. They're easy recipes anyone can keep stocked, and you can customize them to work for you. I love keeping a shower remedy on hand, like these deep breath shower steamers. My favorite simple shower steamer uses menthol crystals, baking soda, and citric acid, along with clarifying essential oils like cardamom or eucalyptus. As the steam rises, so does the refreshing aroma. I find shower steamers so helpful for clearing my airways and helping me feel energized in the morning. A natural spray is one of the most versatile items in my Home Remedies Apothecary. It's great for freshening the air, and you can use it to clean surfaces. All you need is water, a little perfumer's alcohol, and then an essential oil that's really great at cleaning, like our Defender blend. Right now I'm using our everyday guard spray recipe. I also love keeping a salve on hand, kind of in honor of my grandpa, who always loved having a salve, but they're also really useful. You can use them to moisturize dry skin, help support easier breathing, and soothe overused joints and muscles. Right now my salve is a very calming salve meant for skincare, and it is called a stillness salve. It uses essential oils, rose geranium, and hoe wood to create a really calming scent that's really soothing to my skin. Roll-ons are one of the most convenient ways I use essential oils. They're pre-diluted, portable, and easy to take on the go. To make these, you just need a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, plus a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Right now, I am using one called Fortify to help boost my immune system using our Defender blend. No apothecary is complete without a diffuser blend. As I make this video, it is the changing of seasons where sickness often occurs. This diffuser blend makes my home smell good, feel cozy, and supports my immune system. This Autumn Armor diffuser blend combines hoe wood, rose geranium, and Defender for a wonderful seasonal blend. I also love keeping a comfort tool in my apothecary, something that helps bring relaxation when I need it. This Warm and Well aromatherapy pillow can be cooled or warmed up, however I want to use it. Plus, the gentle weight of it, along with the lavender aroma, is perfect for a calming moment. I always try to keep these 6 categories of products on hand in my home apothecary: a shower steamer, salve, roll-on, spray, diffuser blend, and an aromatherapy pillow to support my wellness. They're simple, natural, and easy to keep stocked. You can find recipes for these staples in the cheat sheet I've linked below. You can also get the recipes in our October recipe box, where you can learn to make natural DIYs just like these. We also have tons of other salve recipes, sprays, roll-ons, and more on our blog, which you can check out at blog.simplyearth.com. Thanks for watching. Give this channel a follow for more DIY tips and tutorials.